blah, but like she's like really freaking cool.
Hey guys, what's up? You already know the deal. It's Bex21 and we're back at it with another video. I know I look crazy. By the way, if you like my new intro, give me a thumbs up. That's actually my voice. You know, nothing special or whatever. I know my hair looks crazy. Like, I'm just looking at myself in the viewfinder like, girl, some of y'all lace fronts be looking like this, but no shade, no tea. I promised you guys this video and told you guys that I was gonna do this video fixing this wig. If you didn't see my initial video on this wig, it is my wish haul, well, wig haul part 2, and this is one of the wigs, but as you can see it needs a lot of work, so I wanted to show you guys how I fix my lace front wigs. This wig was $26 with lace, and somebody told me on the video that it was $16 without lace. So you have the option. This one has 3 combs and it has adjustable straps. I just put this wig on and realized one of the adjustable straps like broke, like the little comb. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. It still fits my head, but I want to show you guys how I completely revived this wig, get rid of the shininess and all that, and the methods that I'm gonna use, show you how to lay the baby hair and cut the baby hair along with cutting the lace in the right amount. So if you're interested in finding that out, just stay tuned to the video. I also want to say thank you guys so much for 800 subscribers. You guys are freaking awesome. We're growing like so fast. Like, we're almost to 1K, and everybody knows, I've been saying it every video, once I hit 1K I'm gonna do a Visa card giveaway. There's gonna be multiple winners, not just one. I do have a giveaway going on right now that you could participate for my 500 subscriber giveaway. It's all makeup, but it's all on my Instagram. I'll put my info down right here for you guys. And if you guys are interested about this lipstick, there is another video that I'm actually going to link that down as well. I will put the link to this hair down in the description box along with everything else that you need to know, girl. And stay tuned. Let's get into this video. First things first, I bought this blockhead from Amazon. I'll leave everything in the description. I'm just going to put the wig right on the blockhead, and I'm going to put in my T-pins. And now the first thing that I'm doing is separating the baby hair from the actual hair. And during this process I noticed that some of the baby hair was like long hair, so I had to kind of separate, and it took me a minute to separate everything. But what I'm going to do is start to pluck. So this whole portion I'm just going to pluck, but I realized that if I just cut the baby hairs with that comb that I had, first it'll be a lot easier to pluck because the hairs won't be so long. And with this wig, seriously, there was like no lace parting space, like barely any. So I had to make sure that I wasn't going to cut too much off or anything like that, but I'm just cutting something like around the hairline, kind of making it look as natural as possible. You could kind of see at a better angle right here of what I'm doing. I'm just going to razor that short, those baby hairs, and then just kind of pluck. And what my favorite method to do is I'll pull the hair back, you see, with my other hand, and then I'll just start to pluck and like just kind of see what it would look like if I pulled the hair back with the baby hair, and you could kind of get an idea of what it's all going to look like. I also do a method of pulling some of the hair forward. You'll start to see that in the video. I'll pull a little bit of the hair forward and kind of pick in between the hair that's not baby hair, and I'll pluck a little from the back if it looks a little too thick or too thin or things like that, and I'll just pluck it all to make it look similar to like a hairline. So right here, this is the method that I'm talking about. I just kind of separate the hair, and then I'll pluck in between where the hair looks a little too thick or something like that, or how I can adjust it. But right now here, I'm just going to separate the hair and kind of pull out all the hair that I already plucked. So this process, you want to make sure you're really careful with this, especially if you're using a synthetic wig. As you can see, I kind of pulled my blockhead, but we're going to separate as much as we can, and sometimes you can't separate it, so you just have to cut it. You'll notice that I'll be cutting off this piece right here because I just couldn't separate it to save my life. But
I was at first not going to cut all of it off, but I realized that I might as well. And it didn't make much of a difference at all because the hair is thick and I'm going to end up cutting it anyway down the line. So that's what I did. This is my dry shampoo. I actually really like this dry shampoo. This was a new one that I got from Influencer and it works so great. I love it. So what I'm doing here is I'm just spraying it on the strands and running my fingers through the blockhead. This is pretty much the best method that I've known to use and the best method that works for me. And I'm just kind of pulling it. But as I pull it, the cool thing is I'll get things out. The cat wanted to hang out with me, so I had to grab him. But if you do this method, you'll notice that you'll kind of pull the curls so they won't look so tight and fake. So you could kind of kill two birds with one stone, but you want to make sure you kill all that white color. You could kind of see it right there. You don't want to see any of that white color, so you need to brush your fingers through it, but very carefully because it's synthetic and you don't want tangles. So right here, I'm just going to cut the lace off right here. I'm going to cut a big portion because I want to make sure that it's enough. And this is like one of my tricks to match your wigs the best because the lace was too dark. So I just took my foundation and I just put it all on the lace, just my liquid foundation. And I'm using my Sebastian hairspray and I'm just going to spray that lace and let it dry. And after I let it dry, I put it on my head. And as you can see, the lace matches my scalp now. And there you go. So we go on. I'm using God Simply Glued. Now, typically I use a blow dryer, but I was pretty freaking lazy with this portion. I'm not going to even lie. So this portion, I'm just going to lay the baby hairs with my spray, which I'll leave in the description box. And I'm just going to cut the baby hairs as needed and lay them. And I'm also going to thin out this wig a bit with the scissors, which is why I said it didn't matter if I cut it a little because I'm going to thin it out so it doesn't look too big and fake. Like drag, you know, and you'll see in the next clip what it looks like.
Hey guys, so I'm back and this is the final result. I did a lot of plucking, let's say that first. This is all the hair that came out and a couple chunks that I missed. But what I want you guys to realize is that this hair only has an inch of parting space. The parting space is literally like this big. Like, that's all they give you for the lace. And like, what is this? What am I gonna do with this? Any girl will tell you this ain't enough. This ain't enough, boo-boo. We need more than this. So you don't want to pluck too much because if you pluck too much, then your hair is just gonna look crazy. I have some clips in the back here, if that's what you're seeing, because the adjustable strap broke, so I have to put it back on and fix it. So just to keep it down and in place, I just kind of used the clip, which is actually working, so that's cool. But this is how it came out. I actually really like it. I think it's beautiful. The shininess killed down so much after I put on that dry shampoo. I'm gonna give you guys all the deets to every product that I use down in the description box, just so you guys know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I'm telling you, because I have Visa card giveaway, so y'all gonna get some free money. I'm gonna at least have 2 winners, but I'm probably gonna end up with 4 winners because I want you to give back to more people and everybody have bigger odds. All you're gonna have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Right now I have a giveaway going on my Instagram. Here is my Instagram stuff, like I said in the beginning, so you guys make sure that you guys go on my Instagram. The odds are so high. I think I have like 20 people who have filled this out already for my giveaway, and it ends February 14th. You guys have a huge odds to winning this makeup. I have Huda Beauty, Kat Von D, Becca Cosmetics, and many more. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and go to my Instagram for that. I just want to say that I really appreciate you guys. I will be doing a lot more giveaways than just what I'm doing now because I want to give back to you guys. I want to give to you guys. Like, I've always been a giver and I just want to continue that. I love giving to people, and especially my people who support me. I have no problem giving to you guys. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll probably do a 5,000 subscriber giveaway, and then 10,000, and then 50,000. So I will always have some sort of giveaway coming, or I'm going to have a giveaway. There will never be no giveaway on my channel. So I just want you guys to know that, and that I appreciate you guys. I'm going to post another video soon of me reviving a synthetic wig and human hair. I'm going to revive and color one. So I'll show you guys how to color a synthetic wig. That video is going to come up shortly, and we're going to go, can y'all guess? Put it down in the comment section if you can guess what color we gonna go with for one of them. But the next one is actually gonna be a surprise. It's gonna be another bright color. I want to be colorful for you guys. It's spring's coming, you know, we gotta be looking cute or whatever. Anyway guys, I really just want to say thank you again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned. Love you guys so much. Bye.